Hey everybody, Miss Cuellar here. So I should be talking to my homeroom class because this is for social studies. So I just wanted to explain what the early Texans assignment is that you'll be working on for the remainder of this week, because I don't think I mentioned that when we Zoomed earlier in the week. So if you're seeing this message, that is because you have logged into ClassLink already, you've clicked on Canvas, and you just clicked on your social studies course. So now let me get to where you're at. So here's my class link. So I click in Canvas, and it should automatically load me in without me having to type in any username or passwords. If it says access denied, I think I mentioned this in the Zoom, just click on dashboard. I'm not really sure why that message pops up sometimes. Yours looks a little bit different, but when you click on the dashboard, you should see all of your different classes in Canvas. So you clicked on social studies, and now here we are. So I'm going to click on student view. This is what it looks like to you guys as a student. So here is the online learning plan we have for this week, and you can see here that it says that you're just going to be working on this early Texans social studies Canvas assignment for the rest of the week, and just try to have it finished up by Friday. You can see I'm also having a Zoom during my virtual help desk office hours from 10 to 10:30 using this code if you have any questions about this or just want to pop in and say hi. So if you go back up here, you're probably thinking, okay, so where is the assignment? So you see that that's what you need to work on. If you scroll all the way down, here are the assignments, just like when you had to submit answers in Canvas in class. So in the online learning plan, it was called the Early Texans assignment. So we scroll all the way back down, and it's right here, the Early Texans, and I even put the dates of this week on here. So you click on that, and then here are the instructions. It's about, we're just going to go back about the Caddo and the Apache tribes. You're going to read about them, do a little bit of research about them using this website here that I included this link. So you're just going to be creating some trading cards. You can just use paper or whatever. You could even do this on the computer if you wanted, like in Microsoft Word or PowerPoint or something like that. Or just do it on regular paper, whatever you have available to you. So you just are going to research about the two tribes. When you click on this website, just type in and search about Caddo or Apache. And I put like a couple of examples of trading cards. This is what they look like on the front. They just have like a picture with the name of the tribe, and on the back is the information that they learned or researched about those tribes. And they see that like they colored them and everything, and then they kind of like just wrote out information, or you could type it if you do it on the computer. So that's an example there. You can share what you do with your parent or a sibling or any grown up. And then I also am putting this option here that you can submit what you did to me so that I can see that you did your assignment right here in Canvas by clicking on this blue Submit Assignment button. So if you click it, there are different ways that you can show me what you did or prove to me that you actually did the assignment. You can upload a file, so you could take a picture of what you did at home, of your trading cards, the front and the back, and then you can actually click on this and upload your picture in here. You just have to know where you saved the picture. If you are doing this from an iPad, then you could probably just, when you click on that, go to your photo library and select when you took the picture of it, select the picture of it, and it will attach it right here, and then you can click Submit Assignment. You can also write, you can copy or paste your notes or what you researched and just type it right in here, and then you can hit submit that way. So I'm trying to do like different ways that you can turn in your assignment to me. Okay, so you can upload it, click File Upload, and choose your file straight from your computer or your iPad, or you can just do text entry and you can just type all the information right here for me. Okay, and then don't forget to click Submit Assignment so that I can see that you actually did it. So I'm going to go back to the home page. And really, that's all that you're going to be doing this week for social studies. I'm just giving you like a little assignment or project to work on, and you're just going to work on it throughout the entire week. So you can pace yourself and work on it however you want to. You can do a little bit each day. Just try to always have it finished by Friday and upload it to me and submit your assignment to me. Again, if you have any questions, I am having a Zoom meeting today, Wednesday, March 25th, anytime between 10 and 10:30. You could join me and ask me your questions, and I will try to help you the best that I can. All right? Okay, have a good day.